Hi, Mom and Sir. My name is Mary J. Anyanueva Regina. I am 31 years old, living in San Ignacio, Gubat, Sorsogon, Philippines. My parents are Vida Regina and Feliciana Regina. I am the youngest of the six siblings. I graduated from San Ignacio Elementary School in Gubat National High School. My live-in partner and I are supporting our two children and also my elderly parents, so we have to support them financially. Our income isn't enough. I also work as housemaid here in the Philippines for a sibling's big house. I cook, did the laundry, clean, and did all household chores. I even took care of their grandchildren. I love babies and kids, just like my own kids, who grow up smart and cheerful. I enjoy singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, how I wonder what you are. And Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? And teaching them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Thank you so much. I hope you like me.